Hi friend, in today's video I will describe about how you can find today's type of trade where we gain massively with this type of Excel sheet. Here I will describe exactly what to do. Today there was a very good profit opportunity day. We earned 755 point, that is around 15,100 per lot. But one thing I want to dedicate today's video to Mr. Subramaniam. um, you consistently day by day doing very good job, and you are trading with an very disciplined way. You have entered today's trade in Bank Nifty 18,275. You exited at 17,629 short. You also shorted Nifty today. Today was both Bank Nifty and Nifty jackpot. You entered Nifty at 9048 and exited at 8867. Both are short strategy. So thank you for this type of feedback. It's pleasure that you have earned using this Excel sheet. Continue your good work, stay disciplined. So now let's discuss about how we can find this type of opportunity, today's types of opportunity, which we call jackpot opportunity one day before, using this Excel sheet. But before that, quickly I will also want to show the track sheet. This is the track record of 2000 inter 2020. That means this year. So as we can see that total this year there was 23 trade. Let's make it bigger. There was total 23 trade. Among them 13 was profitable trade, losing trade was 10. Total net point gain was 5653, including today's 755 point. Average profit is 546 point, where average loss is 145 point. There is an 3.76 risk reward ratio, and this year trading one lot, it has delivered 1,13,000. This is till 18. Sorry. Uh, so now I will show you how to do it. So basically what you have to do is that you have to enter the first 15-minute candle high low, last 15-minute candle high low, and days high low of today's value. That is very important because we want to know whether tomorrow is a opportunity or not. So we have to enter today's value to find jackpot trade opportunity tomorrow. So I will obviously, according to this rule, now we will enter the data of yesterday, the last Friday. If I enter the data and if I find a yes over here, it is now showing NA not applicable, not applicable. But if I find a yes here, then what to do? Then we have to enter on a break of first 15-minute candle, and we have to exit at 3. That's it. Very simple strategy. So let's check yesterday's data. So yesterday's high of the first 15-minute candle was first 15-minute candle high. I have to put that was 19079.60, and the low was 18756. Okay. I will enter the last 15-minute candle also. After the market close of last Friday, you can put this data and check whether there is an opportunity of a good opportunity in next day or not. You have to do it daily basis. It will take 2-3 minutes. The last candle high is 18814.35, and the low was 18759.55. That's it. Um, it is already coming that yes, tomorrow is jackpot, but remember we have to enter all the data before we conclude. Sometimes it change also. So this was the low. As you can see, the day's low was in this candle, and it was 18651. and days high is 19079.60. After all those data I have entered, it is still yes, tomorrow is the jackpot day two. So either these conditions can be true. There is two conditions, one conditions over here and one is here. Either of these if true, then as I mentioned, what you have to do, you have to trade on a break of first 15-minute candle. Trade with confidence tomorrow. It is clearly mentioned that you have to trade tomorrow. Always exit at 3 p.m. Okay, and stop is using high or low of the day. So let's check what is the first candle. This is the first candle of today, so you have to enter short below this level. That is the low of today is 18311. So your short will be entered around say 18,305. Couple of point 5 point buffer I have added, and your exit is at close of the day at 3 p.m. The close was 17575. The 17575 and high was 17658. So in an average 17,550 was roughly you can close your trade. So that was a net gain of 755 point. With that, we ended this month with this jackpot opportunity. So far, we had two opportunity and 1,180 point was gained. One point you can check here, the risk reward ratio. Although the risks at the opening of the trade was higher, but then overall if you check the risk reward ratio is quite favorable. I recommend all of you to check by yourself, backtest yourself throughout the entire year and come out your conclusion. If you feel good, if you choose to trade based on this type of strategy, then you should give it a try. Thank you so much for your time. I will update you in next trade onward, and I will also conduct a monthly performance review of the all the strategy I have. So thank you so far for giving all those feedback, giving all those comments, and staying with me so far. This is a good journey. I am really enjoying your company. Thank you so much, and stay safe in this type of time when we are going through really a challenging period. Goodbye.